flat top on your cupcake is actually a very simple technique. All you need is your cupcake, some soft buttercream. You want to make sure you have a piece of parchment paper. Wax paper also works. And you can also grab a small tray. This is optional, but it's going to make the process a lot easier. And now to ice our cupcake, we're going to go ahead and take our buttercream. We are using just a coupler as our tip. You can also just cut a hole into your piping bag or use a large round tip to ice your cupcake. So we want to start in the center. We're going to press down. If there's any imperfections in your buttercream, go ahead and just fix that so that it's a round shape. And now we're going to take our tray and our parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and press our cupcake into the parchment paper upside down, and this is going to create a flat buttercream top. And now we want to go ahead and just pop this into the freezer or the refrigerator until our buttercream becomes solid. I checked on my cupcake after about 5 minutes and the buttercream is stiff to the touch. So our cupcake is ready. And now all we have to do is peel off our paper. And as you can see, the cupcake is perfectly flat. The sides are not perfect, but we're gonna go ahead and fix that. You can cover them with borders or just disguise them depending on what kind of design you're going for. And if you want smooth borders, there's no need to worry. This is fixable. So we're just gonna smooth this out with a spatula. And here's our flat top cupcake. So if you're someone that doesn't like to use fondant on your cupcakes, then this is a great alternative if you want a flat design, and you can cover this with fondant decorations. You can write on it, or you can create a floral design. Sky is the limit when it comes to using flat top cupcakes. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below, and we hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.